Welcome back. Congress has demanded that Supreme Court monitored panel is required to probe into mining irregularities. Congress MLA Alex Reginaldo says that government should not take selective action. Congress has welcomed the decision of Jayanti Natarajan to suspend environment clearances of all mines in the state.
There should be a Supreme Court audited, Supreme Court monitored probe, and our opposition leader has also demanded the same. And we have said that the central committee be appointed under directions from Supreme Court, and the central committee should have people of various representatives from various organizations, as far as technical committees, as far as environmental organizations, should have everybody in the picture. The department, our Honorable Minister Jayanti Natarajan came to Goa. She made a statement that she is going to suspend licenses. Is it wrong? I want to ask everybody. Do you welcome it? Yes, we welcome it. Don't take selective action, because here only selective action is been going on.
Video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent Media.
This is the second instance wherein a complainant has pleaded before the police for withdrawal of complaint against the accused teacher, Yogesh Khandeparkar. The parent, who had filed a fresh complaint against the teacher alleging that his two daughters were molested, now says he was pressurized by some activist ladies to do so. He says that the complaint is bogus and has requested the Ponda police to withdraw the FIR. Accused teacher was granted conditional bail on Wednesday.
Second molestation case against Shiroda teacher Yogesh Khandeparkar also seems to be a bogus one. The father, who had complained that his daughters were molested by the Shiroda teacher, now says it isn't a fact. Father has submitted a letter to Ponda police to withdraw the complaint filed against the teacher. Prudent has got a copy of this plea. It says, "Facts written in complaint are absolutely bogus and such incidents never happened to my daughters. My daughter has been instigated to write such complaint statement by 4 ladies, namely one Swati Kerkar and 3 others whose names I do not know." Father also complained that he was receiving threatening calls. Letter further says, "Swati Kerkar called me and started harassing me, stating that if I do not cooperate with them, then they will tell headmistress to fail my daughters and will torture my daughters in the school." Earlier in the first case, father of the girl child had pleaded for withdrawal of complaint against the Shiroda teacher. The developments posing a serious question whether the accused teacher is being framed as claimed by him. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Be careful and wise when you invest. Don't be under the influence of any person promising monetary benefits. One such female was traced in Vasco. She duped many people, claiming that she runs a trust named as World Vision Goa, a helpline. Surendra Madkaikar reports.
She is Rekha Daniel. She says that she runs a trust, World Vision Goa, a helpline. Through this, she accepts money and promises monetary benefit.
ही जवळजवळ तुमची आता 4थी वेळ म्हणे पोलीस स्टेशनवर.
मान्य मला, कारण आता मी पैसे देते म्हटल्यावर तुम्ही मला ब्लेम मारणारच ना. त्याला मी पैसे दिले कॅश इथे, त्यांनी न काउंट करता घेतले माझे.
पण तुम्ही लोकांकडनं हे पैसे घेऊन काय करतात?
त्याचं नाव रजिस्टर होतं ना.
काय रजिस्ट्रेशन, काय म्हणून तुम्ही कशासाठी पैसे घेतात?
ते रेशनसाठी जी मेंबरशिप करता तुम्ही,
त्या पैशांचे रेशन देतात त्यांना? त्या
पैशाचं नाही, ते पैसे फॉर्म बनवण्यासाठी यूज करतो आणि नंतर दर महिन्याला.
किती पैसे घेतात तुम्ही? 325. लोकांकडनं आता 35,000 रुपये घेतले असं मग कळलं.
जे ज्यांचे घेतले त्यांना मी रिटर्न केले.
People complain they have been duped. The lady didn't keep her word.
आम्ही तिच्याकडे हेल्प मागले, 5 लाख लोन दिता म्हणून तेणी डॉक्युमेंट सगळे माझ्याकडे मागले आणि लास्ट म्हाका तेणी फोटिंग पण हाडली.
कितले पैसे घेतलेले तुमच्याकडून?
माझ्याकडल्यान तेणी 22,000 कितें अशें पावले.
आता तुका कितें दिल्या तेणे परते?
टोटल आमकां ते 28,000
दोघांचे मेळून 28,000.
ते बी ते मॅडमीक लागून मेळ्ळे.
माझ्याकडल्यान तिने 17,000 घेतले आणि ते एडवोकेटाक लागून आणि प्लेनान ते लेटर धाडपाक जाय म्हणून हे इतल्याक लागून 17,000 तिने घेतलेले. आणि ते कित्याक तेणे आमकां सांगलें आपूण गाडी काडून दिता आमच्या संस्थेतर्फे.
Murgaon councillor Tara Kerkar says people should not trust such people.
325 रुपये एक पर्सनापासून घेता ती आणि 375 ती पेन्शनाक लागून करता. पण आजपर्यंत तिने कोणाकूच पेन्शन दिल्लें ना. रेशन दिता ती 2 दीस मागीर परत आसा तशी हेरे माझ्या मागल्या कांयच मेळना सगळे बोगस इवन आमी इंटरनेटाचेर तेची चौकशी केली कांयच मेळना.
However, no police complaint has been filed as yet. People want to recover their money as soon as possible. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
South Goa Additional Sessions Court Judge Vijaya Pearl convicted accused Riaz Sheikh under Section 376 of the Indian Penal Code. He is sentenced to 7 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of Rs 20,000. Riaz is also convicted for criminal intimidation.
He is sentenced 7 years rigorous imprisonment under Section 376, which is offence of rape, and also directed him to pay a fine of Rs 20,000 or in default to undergo additional rigorous imprisonment for 1 year. Again, under Section 506 Part 2, that is criminal intimidation, accused is further directed to pay a fine of Rs 5,000 or in default to undergo additional imprisonment for 2 months.
Our reporter from Margaon, Savio Dias.
It's time now for another short break. News from sports when we come back. Stay tuned.